this, because that'll be the ultimate.
There's no blood in this.
You're right, that's ketchup. Don't look at me, YouTube.
Ketchup, man.
So many monsters.
Like, how the H am I supposed to get across?
It's the other way. Aiden's gonna die. I tried this way, sneaking.
Where do I go?
You have to go around the other side.
What's a guy to do?
It's that.
I said that.
Oh, they got you.
Here? Oh, it's bold of you to stand up.
Are we bad gamers?
Yeah, we are.
No, cut that out. Cut for the notes.
Okay, so basically,
Saying it's just
if
a
someone
game is such a weak
dies here, then hopefully we all can run by.
Alright, so I'm gonna die on this side, on the other side.
Try as getting far as you can. Sneak along that wall. Get as far as you can. Did James already die? Where's James?